statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. County in central South Carolina, northwestern Chesterfield County in central South Carolina until 10:45 a.m. At 9:37 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Meriden Valley to near Chester, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
Get some bad reception.
Locations impacted include Lancaster, Indian Land, Pageland, Andrew Jackson State Park, Usk Lancaster, Venwick, Irwin, Buford, Arrowwood Estates, Tradesville, Camp Creek Fire Station, Community of Almond Glen, Unity Fire Station, Lancaster Mill, Carolina Commons Shopping Center, and McWhirter Airfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for central South Carolina. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for